Conquer your study struggles, unleashing your full potential. Hello, studying machine. Feeling swamped with books and notes? Think studying's a tough mountain to climb? No worries. It's time to beat those study blues and tap into your amazing potential. Get ready to rock your study world and unlock your awesome brain power. Let's kick off with some super smart time management. Chop up your study time into bite-sized pieces and whip up a cool schedule to keep things neat and tidy. Pick the most important stuff first and say bye-bye to pesky distractions to get the most out of your study time. Now let's build a rock-solid base by really getting the hang of what you're learning. Jot down all the nifty points in class and go over them like a detective. Got a tricky topic? Break it down into easy-peasy bits to make sure you've got it down pat. Practice makes perfect, right? Dive into quizzes and mock tests to flex those brain muscles. Join a study group or find a buddy to tackle those tough topics together. 2 heads are better than 1. Don't forget you're a superstar, not a robot. Get plenty of ZZs, move around, and munch on brain-boosting snacks. Take little breaks to recharge and keep your brain buzzing. Hit a tough spot? Keep your chin up and stay jazzed. Believe in your superpowers to get through challenges. Throw a mini party for every small win to keep the good vibes rolling. Armed with these kick-butt strategies, you're all set to crush those study struggles and unleash the genius in you. Ready to take the reins and zoom towards success? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips and tricks. Let's do it. Remember, you've got this. Thank you so much for tuning in, Studying Machine. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, folks, happy studying and learning.